Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Edge panel means if you swipe from the right side edge of the phone towards the center of the screen, there will be some shortcuts appearing. If you would like to activate it and customize it, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, and here select edge panels. Just to turn on this button edge panel and it will be activated. Now just to swipe from the right side here and to customize these shortcuts, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on this pencil icon and you can here rearrange items to the edge panel. Suppose if you would like to remove messages from the edge panel, just click on this minus symbol and it will be removed. And if you would like to add another one instead of that, just track. Okay, I track a camera and place here. Yes, it is added. See here, it is added. Okay, gallery, just click on it, not to track, just click on it and it will be added. Okay, you can add more items to the edge panel. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize edge panel. Okay, after customizing, just swipe and you will find all of these things that you, including you have recently what you have added. Okay, see here, I have recently added camera, and from here I can directly go to the camera to open camera. Okay, so in this way you can easily find edge panels very useful, and frequently using items can be added to the edge panel so that you can quickly go to the edge panels by reducing timing. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye bye.